Mount Baldy here, search and rescue call apparently. Looks like, at least. Stay safe out here, guys. Summit's up there, we just summited it. We're taking the Devil's Backbone up and then by the ridge. 2026 Mount Baldy Summit. Got a search rescue team, search and rescue. Looks like they're looking for someone. It's not us. Rare suit, who they're looking for. Oh, look at that. Off to the summit? Wait. Baldy Summit, Baldy Bowl, ascending on Devil's Backbone Trail. This is insane. Stay safe. Alright, we got a helicopter. Right, what's this?
345.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is it okay? Like, not dangerous going down there? I mean,
There's
there's a section that's a little sketchy, like where those three hikers passed away. Okay. It's really washed out.
Guys, ultra windy, super duper cold. Look how red my hand is. We're taking Devil's Backbone Trail back down. Just got back from the summit. Mount Baldy Bowl Loop, guys. February 7th, 2026. But I love it. We had to leave fast because it was icy, slippery, and it was so windy. It got a little bit quieter. But this is crazy, guys. This is crazy, y'all. Glider here. And we saw a helicopter. Probably looking for someone. It's super sketchy. We're gonna take the Devil's Backbone Trail down there and hopefully make it safely. See ya. I don't know if you guys can sort of see this. There's a helicopter looking for someone. I'm flying around for like 10 minutes. Mount Baldy is no joke, guys. Devil's Backbone Trail in the high winds.